Today we're making bulk Kabbasa spray, lining spray, clothes spray. It has a lot of name, whichever name you call it. That's what we're making today. After adding all my oils, and then I brought my mixer and then I mix it. I'm using a manual mixer. You can use your stick or spoon, whatever item you have in mixing your spray. You can mix it with it. I'm using this because this is going to give me the best results. After mixing the ingredients, I brought my fixatives and then I added it. For your fixative, you can use strong oils. You can use the main fixative we know in perfumery, but for me I'm using just a strong perfume oil that will last long, that will help all the ingredients bind together and give us that nice scent. After adding my fixative, I brought my amazing sandals of fan and then I added it. So after adding all these ingredients, I let my Kabbasa sprays to sit for 24 hours and then I added it into the packaging bottles that it will be sent out with. And this is 50 ml bottle. This is very cute. This is affordable. The bottle is just the best bottle for this Kabbasa spray or this clothes spray. You can drop this bottle in your bag, and this is for a project, I think, or for a workshop. I made 60 pieces for a workshop and I made it into different fragrance and colors. I wanted to make the popular sandal spray, but I made only 50. Instead of using 3 liters of my UD cologne, I used 2.5 liters. I think that's why it gave me the 50 pieces. So I had to add, and then I was out of the brown colored UD cologne, so I had to add the blue colored UD cologne, and everything came out nice. And that was how I got my soft blues perfume spray, sorry, my soft blue spray. And this is what it looks like after the packaging and all that. I took some beautiful pictures so that I will promote this on my social media handle that I show to my customers. And if this is something you would love to learn, you can join my classes. I have Trianta recipes, Kabbasa spray recipes, inspired perfume recipes, a lot of recipes that you can learn from in my class. And we have 2 different classes. We have the private one-on-one classes and we have the group classes where you can just join anytime you like, and it is instant access. For the group, it is a one-on-one class, and it is the best thing that is going to happen to you if you are a Trianta vendor. After that, good morning guys, I'm off to drop off some deliveries. Why haven't you patronized my business? What are you still waiting for? Come and patronize Sherry by Aisha. I sell the best authentic Trianta incense, BAKHOORs, and perfumes. I also have other products like burners, metallic burners, clay burners, electric burners. Oh my god. And we have amazing long-lasting oil perfumes that when you try, you will come back for more. So that's a disclaimer. If you don't want to return for more, do not try, because you will be hooked when you try those oils. And so guys, I'm off. I packed the sprays and another order in this beautiful packaging bag, which is the safest for me, and then I had to deliver it today myself. Sometimes my sister delivers the items, like she drops them at the pack. Sometimes I have to drop it off myself, and sometimes I have to give a delivery guy to do it. But whenever I'm going to the market or I'm going somewhere, I just do it myself, which is the best option, because in the north in Nigeria a lot of customers don't like paying delivery to the pack. So you as the business owner have to do that for your customers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamu Alaikum.